Assalamu alaikum my dear students. How are you all? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a general science class for class Junior 1 students. Dear students, our today's topic is Chapter 3. And the name of this chapter is living and non-living. Let's see today's topic from here. Our today's topic is chapter 3 and the name of this chapter is living and non-living. And this is lecture number 5. And our today's SW number is 4 number SW. This is 4 number SW. So dear students, let's start today's class. This is chapter number 3, living and non-living. And this is your science book. Today we will start from here. This is the page number 10. This is the page number 10 of your science book. Students, we can see the name of this chapter is living and non-living. At first, we have to know what is living and what is non-living. Living things can take breath. And living things can grow, and living things can take food, and living things also give birth to baby like themselves. So from this picture, among this picture, we have to identify which one is living and which one is non-living. And we will write here, if this picture is living thing, then we will write living, and this picture, if this picture will non-living, then we will write non-living beside the picture. Now at first we can see here is a picture of horse. This is a horse, so we know this is living things because horse can take breath and it can eat food and it grows and give birth their babies. So this is living thing. So we will write here living. So this one is living things. Now here is a clay pot. This is a clay pot and this is a non-living thing. This is a non-living because it can take breath and it can grow. So it is a non-living thing. So we will write non-living beside this picture. Now this one, next picture is here a dog. This is a dog. So we know dog is also a living thing because it can take food, it can move and it can take breath. So dog is a living thing also. So we will write here living. This is a living thing. Now here is a picture of man. And we know human can take breath, human can grow, human can take food. So this is man is also living things. So we will write here living. Now here is a picture of zip. This is also a non-living. So we will write here non-living. Next one, here is a picture of a bird, and we know that bird can take food, bird can move, so this is a living thing. Next one, this is a picture of pencil and scissors, so this one is also non-living thing. And here is a picture of lamp, and this lamp is also non-living because it can't take food, it can't move, and it can't breathe. Now here is a picture of a plant. This is a beautiful sunflower plant, and we know plant is living thing because it can take breath and it can grow, so this is a living thing. Here is next picture is a hammer. This is also a non-living. We will write non-living here. And here is a beautiful butterfly, and this is also a living thing because they can move, they can take food. Okay, now this is a picture of drum. This is also a non-living thing. So dear students, now go to the next page. This is page number 11, and here is some pictures. You can see here is some pictures, and now we have to fill up this table. Like here is living things, and we will write here living things from these pictures, and we will write here non-living things from these pictures. Here is living things. From here, first picture is here hippo. Hippo is one kind of animal. You can see here is a picture of hippo. So we will write here hippo. Our first living things is here hippo. And then we can see here is a picture of fish, and now we know that fish is a living thing. So we will write here 2 number fish. And next one here is bird, and we know that bird is also a living thing. Then 3 number is bird. And after that, we can see here is a picture of tree. Tree is also a living thing. We will write here tree. And the next line, we can see among these 3 pictures, here is man is living thing. So 5 number is man. Now next we will fill up this table non-living things. From this first line we can see here is a non-living thing, the picture of sofa. So 1 number is, this is O. And from second line we can see here is 2 picture of non-living. First one is ice cream and then pen. So 2 number here will be ice cream. And then 3 number is pen. And after that, this line we can see here is a picture of teapot. and a board. So they are both non-living. So 4 number will be here teapot, and 5 number here is boat. So dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Now I will give you HW. Our today's HW number is 4 number HW. And your HW will be this table. Table of living thing and non-living thing. You have to list up this living and non-living like this. I am repeating your HW. Your HW number is today 4 number HW, and your HW will be this table and living and non-living. So dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice it at home and do your SN SW in your SW copy and submit your SW on every Saturday from 9 am to 3 pm. So dear students, stay home and well. See you again in our next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.